Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study a practical based on digital electronics, and the name of practical is Test and Verify. Test and verify the truth table of all logic gates. Okay, so we know the logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital circuit. They are used to perform various mathematical as well as logical operation on digital data. Logic gates are generally classified into three types. One is basic logic gates, universal logic gates, and third, derived logic gates. Derived logic gates are also known as exclusive logic gates. Under basic logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gates are there. Under universal, NAND gate, NOR gate, and XOR and XNOR are the types of derived logic gates. Yes or no? Now see one by one. First, AND gate. Before starting with their functioning and further processing, these logic gates are available in IC form. Yes, they are available in IC form. You can see these are the logic gate ICs. Yes, I'll show you one by one. These three are the basic logic gate ICs. Then next, universal logic gates and exclusive or derived logic gates. Okay. Now we'll note down the IC number of each and every gate. These ICs are of 14 pin. Yes, logic gates are available in 14 pin IC form. So one by one. AND gate का IC number है 7408, OR gate 7432, and NOT gate is having the IC number 7404. Okay, then NAND and NOR. NAND गेट का नंबर है 7400 एंड NOR का है 7402. ओके, एंड फाइनली एक्सक्लूसिव में एक्सक्लूसिव गेट्स XOR का है 7486 एंड XNOR का 74266. So you have to remember these numbers. Okay, AND gate 7408 or 7432, not 7404. Then NAND gate 7400, NOR gate 7402. Okay. Now see here, we know about the details of these logic gates. Yes, we know the truth table, the symbolic representation, the mathematical expression of all logic gates. Okay, so I'll take the example of say AND gate. Okay, so AND gate, we know this is the symbolic representation of AND gate, has two inputs A and B, output is Y. Okay, and it is represented as A dot B, multiplication operation, and the truth table of AND gate is A, B are the inputs, Y is output. There are four possible combinations of input: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. And see the multiplication: 0 into 0 0, 0 0 1. So we are going to verify this table. We want to verify this table. Okay, using logic gate ICs. Logic gate ICs. So AND gate का IC number है 7408. Okay. Now before starting with the further part or the next part, we must aware about the pin diagram. Pin diagram of each and every logic gate. So first, the pin diagram of AND gate IC, that is IC 7408. Okay, now see the pin diagram. So as we know, it is the 14 pin IC. So pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, not 8 because it's a 14, so it is 7 here, 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Pin number 7 is ground and pin number 14 is VCC. Every IC needs ground and VCC. Digital ICs generally require plus 5 volt as a VCC. Okay. Now you can see apart from ground and VCC, there are 12 pins, remaining 12 pins. Okay. So I can say here one IC of this AND gate, one IC of AND gate, say 7808, consists 4 individual AND gates. Means you can see now, this is first AND gate, pin number 1 and 2 are inputs, 3 is output. Then for next 4, 5 are inputs, 6 output. Exact replica to another side. Here third AND gate, 13, 12 are input, 11 output, and the last AND gate is nothing but 10, 9 are input, 8 is your output. Okay, so in this way the configuration of IC7408 is there. Now suppose we want to verify the truth table. So what we'll do, we'll apply, suppose we'll take first AND gate and input are given, digital input, binary input are given to the IC pin number 1 and 2. Suppose here we kept 1, here we kept 1. So at pin number 3 we know that from the table, if the inputs are 1 1, output must be 1. So output at pin number 3 will be obtained 1. Similarly, if we apply the input at pin number 4 and 5, at 6 we'll get the output. Okay, so with the help of IC we can verify the truth table. Okay, this is first example. Then second is, say your NOT gate. Okay, you know about the NOT gate. This is a symbolic representation of NOT gate. Input is A, output is Y. As it is also known as inverter IC. Yes or no? So Y is equals to A bar. And the truth table of NOT gate is, say single input A, output is Y. There are two possible combinations of input 0 and 1. So we are saying Y is equals to A bar, yes or no? Means if A is 0, my Y must be 1, and if my A is 1, Y must be 0. Okay. Now see the pin diagram of your NOT gate. NOT gate ka pin diagram dekho. Again it is a 14 pin IC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And this IC is with the number 7404. Okay. Here also pin number 7 ground, 14 VCC. See the structure of NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate में structure होता है pin number 1 input, 2 output, 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output. Exact replica to other side. Here 13 input, 12 output, 11 input, 10 output, and finally 9 input, 8 output. Okay, तो अगर आपको ये NOT gate का truth table verify करना है, what should be done? You can provide input at pin number 1. Pin number 1 को आप input देंगे maybe 1 or 0. Say we have kept 1 here. So pin number 2 is output. At pin number 2, what should be the expected output? Say inversion of 1, that is 0. So in this way we can verify. So at a time we can use 6 different NOT gate in one IC. Okay, so this is about NOT gate. Then I'll show you about remaining gates also. See, this is a write-up. Now the next is OR gate. Okay, this is the symbolic representation of OR gate. Has two inputs A and B. Output is say X, or you can also say it's a Y. Okay, so Y is equals to what here? A plus B, and this is a truth table. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, and the OR gate का जो pin configuration है, OR gate का IC number है before that is 7432. Yes, and its pin configuration is exactly similar with your AND gate. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Pin number 7 is ground, 14 is VCC. Okay, again for OR gate, pin number 1 and 2 are input, 3 output. Okay, 4 5 are input, 6 output. In this side 13 12 are input, 11 output, and then 10 9 input, 8 output. You can see this is the pin configuration of OR gate. So यहाँ पे भी if you want to verify the truth table of OR gate, what can be done? You can take any OR gate out of these 4. Okay, suppose we have taken 13, 12. So 13, 12 are input. So we have provided here input 1, 0. So what is the output at pin number 11? You can see input is 1, 0, output is 1. So here at pin number 11, we must obtain the output 1. So in this way, we can verify the table. हमने यहाँ पे एक gate verify किया. In the similar way, you can verify the remaining 3 gates also. Okay. So this is about OR gate. So AND gate is over, OR gate is over, NOT gate is done, NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate का IC number है IC 7400. I'll draw the pin configuration of NAND gate. Before that, see the symbolic representation. This is the symbolic representation of NAND gate. Here we are having a bubble. Yes, 2 inputs are there, A and B. Okay, output is say X. So X is equals to what? X is equals to A dot B bar. Okay, and its truth table is 001, 011, 101, 110. So what is the logic of NAND gate? If in the input you are getting one of the 0, or if one of the input consists 0, then output is high. You can see one, दोनों 0 है तो 1, at least one input should be 0, then output is 1. If both the inputs are 1 bar, output is 0. In this way you can remember the logic of NAND gate. एक input at least 0 होना चाहिए in order to get high output. इसका जो table है या pin diagram है, it is again similar with 7400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 is ground, 14 is VCC. Okay. So here NAND gate, 1, 2 input, 3 output. Then NAND gate का symbolic representation 5, 6 input, 7 output. This side also exactly replica. 13, 12 input, 11 output. Similarly 10, 9 input, 8 output. इसका truth table भी कैसे verify करना है? You can verify all 4 gates. Yes, but for example, we can verify the truth table using any one of the NAND gate. Suppose ये second वाला हमने लिया, pin number 5 and 6 are inputs, so we can provide the input say 0, 1. Okay, दोनों में से एक input 0 है. So what should be my output? Something is wrong here. Okay, here थोड़ा सा correction है. ये जो second वाला NAND gate है, उसमें 4, 5 input है. 4, 5 input है. 4, 5 input and 6 is output. Okay, तो आपने दिया input pin number 4 and 5 को. Yes or no? Say 1, 0. तो पिन नंबर 6 पे क्या मिलेगा? दोनों में से एक इनपुट 0 है, तो आउटपुट शुड बी 1. इन दिस वे यू कैन वेरीफाई द टेबल. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर, दैट वी आर वेरीफाइंग द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ ऑल लॉजिक गेट्स, यस, यूजिंग देयर आईसीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज नॉर गेट. नॉर गेट का आईसी नंबर है 7402. यस, this is also a 14 pin IC. There is a slight change in the configuration of NOR gate. See the change. So this is our IC. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 is ground, 14 is VCC. See what is the change. Here in the previous few ICs, AND gate, NAND gate या फिर आपका जो OR गेट है, उसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसा था? 1, 2 इनपुट 3 आउटपुट. यस और नो? सी 1, 2 इनपुट 3 आउटपुट, 4, 5 इनपुट 6 इनपुट, एंड उसका रेप्लिका यहाँ पे इसमें भी वैसे ही है. 1, 2 इनपुट 3 आउटपुट, 4, 5 इनपुट 6 आउटपुट, लाइक दिस. बट इन केस ऑफ NOR गेट थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. कैसे डिफरेंट है? इसमें NOR गेट का सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखो, ये ऐसा है. 1, 2 इनपुट. ओके, यहाँ पे एक बबल होता है. दैट बबल रिप्रेजेंट दैट दिस इज अ NOR गेट. और प्लस नॉट, यस, एंड इट इज A प्लस B बार. इसका टेबल देखो, 0 प्लस 0 एंड उसका बार. ओके, 1 0 NOR 1 0 1 NOR 0 0 1 NOR 1 0. और इसका लॉजिक कैसा होगा? और का इन्वर्जन, या फिर if both the inputs are 0, logic low, in that case only the output is high, otherwise the output will be low. Okay, so in this way remember. Now see the pin diagram. What difference I was talking about? Ki here we are having reverse structure slightly, means 2 and 3 are inputs. 2 and 3 are input. 1 is output. And here you can see 4 output है, 6 and 5 are input. इसका replica फिर यहाँ पे you can see 13 is the output, 11 and 12 are the inputs. Similarly here also last one, ये NOR gate का symbol है, 10 is the output, 9 and 8 are inputs. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये आपको थोड़ा सा precaution लेना है कि थोड़ा सा change है structure में. Okay, ये हो गया आपका NOR gate. Then आता है फिर XOR gate. XOR gate बहुत easy है. ये देखो symbolic representation of XOR gate. It is represented as A XOR B. It is also known as A bar B plus A B bar. Yes or no? Okay, so here see the table 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. So what is the logic of XOR gate? If input consists odd number of ones, then the output is high, otherwise it is low. Odd number of one is you can see number of ones is 1, so output is high. Here number of 1 is 2, which is even number, so output is low. The point is, if input consists odd number of ones, output is high. Okay, so see the pin configuration of XOR. XOR का जो IC number है, it is 7486. Okay, 7486 है. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. 7 ground, 14 VCC. इसमें भी क्या है? इसमें भी 1 2 इनपुट 3 आउटपुट. ये कन्वेंशनल ही है, मतलब जैसे एंड गेट और गेट आपका था वैसे ही 4 5 इनपुट 6 आउटपुट. वेरी मच कन्वेंशनल. ये और गेट का सिंबल है. 13 12 इनपुट 11 आउटपुट. देन 10 9 इनपुट 8 आउटपुट. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ XOR गेट. और बाकी बचा आपका XNOR. XNOR में थोड़ा सा चेंज है कि जो आपको याद रखना है. क्या चेंज है देखो ज़रा भी. यहाँ पे वेयर इज द XNOR, ये वाला XNOR. ठीक है, इसका ट्रुथ टेबल भी मैं आपको बना के देता हूँ. XNOR का सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ये है उसका. यहाँ पे XOR प्लस नॉट, सो AB इनपुट Y आउटपुट. और टेबल क्या है? AB Y 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. इट इज़ इन्वर्जन ऑफ XOR. XOR में क्या था? 0 1 1 0. तो हियर इट वुड बी 1 0 0 1. ओके, एंड अगर इसका आपने पिन डायग्राम देखा, इसका IC नंबर है IC 74266. ओके, रिमेंबर IC 74266. इसमें क्या है? 1 2 इनपुट है, 3 आउटपुट है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. ओके, सो व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग कि ये सपोज ये आपका XNOR है, तो 1 2 इनपुट है, 3 आउटपुट है. बट यहाँ पे इसका अपोजिट है. जो नीचे वाला है ये ऊपर वाले का रेप्लिका है. ओके, मीन्स 4 इज आउटपुट एंड 5 6 आर इनपुट. यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही है, रेप्लिका. ये देखो 13 12 इनपुट्स एंड 11 आउटपुट. और इसका रेप्लिका यहाँ पे. ओके, 9 8 इनपुट 10 आउटपुट. यहाँ पे XNOR है. ओके, सो दिस प्रिकॉशन यू हैव टू टेक वाइल वेरीफाइंग द गेट्स. तो यहाँ पे अगर मुझे ये वाला गेट वेरीफाई करना होगा तो 9 8 को इनपुट देना पड़ेगा एंड द आउटपुट मस्ट बी मेजर्ड एट 10. Okay, so this is what the theoretical explanation of logic gates. Okay, now in the next part we are going to see the implementation of or the verification of logic gate using IC on digital trainer kit. Okay, thank you.